Imagine a team of minute superheroes patrolling within stem cells, nature's rescue squad, poised for action. Whenever injury strikes, these cells activate, racing to the damage site. Their mission: to repair, regenerate, and rejuvenate tissues. Stem cells possess a unique ability to transform into specialized cells, adapting to the body's needs. From healing a fractured bone to repairing heart tissues post-heart attack, they adapt to mend injured parts. Their versatility is vital, turning critical recovery processes into seamless transitions. Thus, stem cells are nature's gift, ensuring our bodies restore themselves, paving the path for incredible recovery.